What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This time I'm gonna do something different on the car. I went to get the inspections on it and it failed. One of the things that failed was because of brake discs. Yeah, the brake discs were scratched. All four of them are. Well, not four of them, two of them, but he said that I had to replace all four of them, so I gotta do that now. And also my tail lights, some of the lights weren't on. That's something I repaired with the CALI app. So that the tail lights are good now. But I was trying to remove the wheels, and see, I have a lock. So I need to find a way to remove these, and it has one on each rim, so that's what I'm gonna try to do, find a way to remove the wheels without having to damage anything. So I'll do that. Okay guys, so I found a way. You can see I don't have the lock no more. This is the lock, and honestly, it was the easiest way to do it. I'm gonna show you guys right now how to do it, because I saw it in another video too, but I want to show you guys how it's done. So basically, what you gotta do is find one of these. You gotta find, mine is a 7/8 socket, but for an impact wrench, so it's really heavy and strong. So maybe you might need a different size. Just make sure it's a bit bigger than the lock, like that. And then what you got to do, once you have it in place, hit it with the hammer till it goes in. And after it goes in, just twist it manually. So let me put you guys on the tripod. And there it is, guys. Saw it was pretty easy, simple to do. So it took me less than maybe 20 seconds to get that done. And honestly, it's the easiest way you guys could do it. You're gonna save a lot of headaches, a lot of pounding and hitting with the hammer and trying to break the lock, which this I doubt that you might break it, but who knows. One more thing guys, make sure you loosen up. Once you put it in there and you already loosen up the lock, make sure you get this thing loose before you bring the whole thing out, because then it's gonna be hard to do it. So just leave it in there and hit it with the hammer, like up and down and everywhere, till you loosen it up. And after it's loose, you just grab the same thing and just twist it. It'll come right off, because then you're gonna have trouble trying to remove the lock from the actual socket. So once it goes in there and you bring it out, it's gonna be really hard for you to bring it out. So you just do it while the lock is still in there. So you can see that's how I got it out. Pretty much it, guys. Really short video. That's what I'm doing right now. So I just wanted to show you guys how to remove some locks on your wheels, just in case you guys don't have the keys. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think.